Selling ebooks on Amazon Kindle without writing them. It is possible to sell ebooks on Amazon Kindle without writing them yourself. Here are a few options for acquiring content for your ebook. 1. Public domain books. There are many classic books that are no longer protected by copyright and can be freely downloaded and republished. 2. You can find a list of public domain books on Project, freeplodownload.com or other sites that offer free ebooks. 3. Ghostwriting services. You can hire a ghostwriter to write any book for you. 4. Ghostwriters are professional writers who write content for clients and do not claim authorship. 5. Reselling ebooks. You can purchase the rights to sell an ebook that has already been written and published by someone else. This is called ebook reselling. 6. Curating and compiling. You can also create an ebook by curating and compiling existing content, such as blog posts or articles, into a cohesive whole. 7. This can be a good option if you are an expert in a particular subject and want to share your knowledge with others. 8. It's important to keep in mind that Amazon has strict guidelines for publishing content on their platform. 9. You must have the right to sell any ebook you publish on Amazon, and you should be transparent about where the content came from. 10. Additionally, you should make sure to properly format your ebook and follow all of Amazon's guidelines for publishing. I hope this information has been useful for you to start making money selling Kindle books on Amazon. Please like my video in appreciation and subscribe. Thank you. Please like my video in appreciation and subscribe. Thank you.